Hi everyone and welcome back to our channel. In today's video we are gonna learn how to do parallel parking. It's very important because on the day of your road test you are asked to do so. And whether you are taking class 7, class 5 or class 4, you have to do this. So without wasting any time, let's get started. And if you like our video, please hit that subscribe button and help us grow. First things first, find a parking spot that's about 1.5 times the length of your car, because this will give you enough room to maneuver. When you found the right spot, give the signal and then align your car parallel to the vehicle in front of the parking space. Keep about 1 meter of distance between your car and the other car. Here comes your first reference point. Your front side mirrors should be parallel to the car beside you, as you can see here. And the second reference point is that you should be able to see the tail light of the car beside you in the back window. These are your key reference points. Alright, let's start the parking process. Begin by doing a 360 check. Put your car in reverse. Turn your steering wheel all the way to the right while keeping an eye on all the mirrors and start reversing your car slowly. Keep scanning your surroundings as you reverse. But how will you know when to stop reversing? Here comes your another reference point. You will know when you are ready for the next step when the curb disappears from your right side mirror. Have a look at the triangle formed. Keep on reversing your car until this disappears from the side mirror. Another reference point is that when the tail light of the car is centered in your front window, as you can see. Once you reach these two reference points, stop and turn your steering wheel all the way to the left and continue backing up. Keep scanning your surroundings as you reverse. Confidence and caution are the key here. And stay focused on the surroundings. When your car is almost straight, straighten up your tires. Move your car forward or slightly backwards if required, and make sure your car should not touch the curb. So that's how you do parallel parking. The main key is practice. The more you practice, the more easily you will be able to park. So go out and practice, and if you have any questions, please feel free to drop a comment and I'll definitely answer. Once again, I'll say please subscribe to my channel if you haven't and help us grow. Thank you so much and have a good one.